guys, thought I'd come and talk to you a little bit while I'm walking. Hopefully this isn't too shaky. You know, it probably is. I'll slow down. Anyway, I recently had a craving for like green food supplement drink. So I went to my grocery store, Safeway near me yesterday and had no luck. Like, they had protein powders and energy powders, but nothing like, you know, a superfood supplement green drink. I mean, they had juices, and I picked up one or two of those, just single servings, but nothing like a powdered food supplement thing. So I am on my way to my nearby Whole Foods because I know they have these things, and we're gonna see what I can find, and hopefully it won't cost an arm and a leg, and hopefully it'll be covered by food stamps because I'm a little short on money right now, and I don't have money to be spending $20, $30 on a food powder supplement thing. But it's what my body is craving right now, and I'm listening to that craving, and hopefully it'll benefit me in some way. So I will stop walking and talking and head to Whole Foods and see what I can find. Okay, so to continue with my story, I'm back from Whole Foods. After going to Whole Foods and standing in the supplement aisle for 10 minutes, maybe more, staring at all, well, not just staring, but like looking at all the options for greens, powders, and things, I had to debate with myself, do I want protein, or do I just want greens, or do I want a single source thing like moringa or spirulina? Anyway, after a long debate, like I said, 10 minutes or more staring, not knowing what I wanted, I got something, and it was covered by food stamps, so this is what I got. It is Organic Superfoods plus Probiotics Super Nutrition Powder. We're going to see, this is just the original flavor and suggested usage. Mix 1 scoop with 12 ounces of water in a shaker cup and shake until dissolved. That was another thing, is I wanted something that was easy, that wasn't something that was designed to be a supplement to a smoothie, something I could just put in a glass of water or milk or juice and drink. So we're going to give this a shot, and I will keep you posted and see what I think of it. Not sponsored, by the way, just, letting you know. So yeah, that's what that's going. Right now I am in my office space, the space that I usually do my recording. And I am editing my next video, which will be coming up before you see this probably. So I am waiting for it to upload to YouTube, and then I have another video that I don't know when that's coming up, but I've recorded it and I need to edit it. So yeah, stay tuned for more of that. Anyway, yeah, let's see what else I get up to this week. Bye. Hi, I am getting ready for a sitting for 2 nights, so I thought I'd share with you what I'm packing. This is my backpack. It's got buttons and things, but so what I'm packing with me, I have my charger plug and cable for, my phone and tablet, as well as a charger for my Fitbit. Taking my new little portable tripod to set you guys all on for, vlogging while I'm there. This is my tablet inside its little sleeve, a pair of pajamas, some bath confetti that I found in storage because they have a bathtub and I figured I'd use it up. We got some journals. This is a journal for working in my library book self-care journal, my bullet journal, the self-care book I'm reading, and then my daily thoughts journal. This is a little kit for nail care. It has clippers, a nail file, and a cuticle pusher. And then I have my daily supplements. that are portioned into the days I need. So I have those, socks and underwear, pain relievers in case I need them, a pair of headphones, magnesium. I don't put these in there because they look the same as a lot of the other ones. I might actually put these in a smaller bottle now that I realize how big this bottle is. So we'll put those into something small. And then I have a light version of my travel toiletries. So I've got SPF. I've got my prescriptions lip mask for moisturizing after washing my face. I have my retinol serum for nighttime. I have toe spacers for sleeping with. Toothbrush. I have my CosRX moisturizer for the daytime. I use the SPF for the nighttime. Or sorry, this is for nighttime. That's for daytime. Toothpaste. Travel deodorant. Facial mist. Cuticle oil. This one is Forest Witch from Witch Cult. It's almost empty. I have to, but I like it in the roller ball. Some travel dental floss. My nighttime lip sleeping mask. This one is from Burt's Bees. It is their passion fruit and chamomile. And the last thing is my facial cleanser. I'm not taking any shampoo or conditioner because a lot of times I'm finding that people have those for me, so I'll use what's there. I'm not going to be picky about it. So yeah, that's everything I'm going to be putting in my backpack for my stay. If I think of anything else, I'll let you know. Okay, don't know why my flash turned on. It just did. But 3 things I did find I really forgot really quick is a hair scrunchie for pulling my hair back when I'm bathing and washing my face and when I'm sleeping. This is a washcloth mitt for bathing and washing my face with. And then this is a little hair turban for doing, when I bathe and drying my hair if I do that. So yeah, that's what I forgot. That's everything. Okay, I am also packing some food, so I'll run through that really quick. I have cereal, which is frosted mini wheats. I have a bag of spinach. These are some chopped up strawberries with sugar. There's a side so you can see everything else. I have some other fresh berries. Below that I have a container of quinoa that I cooked last night. This is the collagen, this is the superfood powder I just bought. I didn't have anything to put it in smaller. I have a sausage that I cut up into like thirds so it'll last me a couple days. This is some oat creamer. This is vanilla yogurt. And yeah, that's all the food I'm taking. The place I'm going, she's already purchased almond milk for my cereal and dark roast coffee for coffee. So that's all the things I'm taking with me, plus my vitamins, like I said, so yeah. Okay, I am trying to hold this so that it's not too shaky. I don't have anything unpacked, but I am at my pet sitting, and I am here with little Leia. This is Leia. Where are you? Where are you? There you are. Say hi, Leia. She's like, nope. Anyway, yeah, I'm here and things are going. I'm just settling in. I've started unpacking, but haven't really. You saw there wasn't too much to pack. I did realize I forgot one thing as I was on my way here. Let me go this way so the light is facing my face and not behind me. I realized that I forgot to pack my workout gear. Normally I pack a pair of workout shorts and a sports bra so that I can work out, and I forgot. So I'm gonna have to work out, I guess, in my regular bra and my leggings. Anyway, yeah, my hair's a little bit frazzled. So yeah, let me turn it around so you can see Leia. Hi, Leia, what are you doing? Are you looking for treats? guys, it is in the evening. I have left Leia alone. I gave her dinner and then left her for a little while because I came to pay a visit and spend dinner with two of my favorite pups. I'm just keeping an eye on them right now. Grace and Evie. And get out of the rain. It is a little gray and gloomy today, so yeah. I'm gonna spend an hour with them, give them dinner, give them some cuddles, have my own dinner. And then I'm gonna head back home and spend the night with Leia, and then I'll be with her tomorrow afternoon, and then I will go home, and then I'll come back over here again to give dinner to these guys again because their mom and dad aren't able to be here with them. So yeah, I'm gonna flip you around and let you check out Grace and Evie as they're running around in the wet backyard. Grace, what are you doing? Evie, what are you doing? Evie. Yes, you're a good girl. Did you go potty? Did you go potty? Did you do your poops? Oh, Grace is going poop. I guess I gotta leave that alone. Okay, it is currently a rainy day here in Seattle, and I have my raincoat on, which is a little oversized, but that's okay. It keeps me dry. And I am on my way to a nearby city east of Seattle called Bellevue to go to Walmart because there are no Walmarts in Seattle proper, and I don't normally shop at Walmart, one, because there aren't any, but two, I don't really support them, but I have an offer from Influencer for a product that is only carried at Walmart. And this is the closest one to where I live. So yeah, we're gonna be taking a bus ride. It's about 8 miles, I think it said. So yeah, braving the rain to go to Walmart. Hi, it is now September 9th, and I am sitting down to edit the footage you just watched and realized I never concluded my story, my trek to Bellevue for the Influencer product. So what ended up happening is the buses I have to take have to go over a lake, and the bridge that they take was under construction. So it took me a couple hours to get to Walmart. I finally did get there. I had to take like 5 buses to get there, and it took me like 2 hours. Yeah. And then I got there and discovered that they did not have the product in stock. Like, it was a space for it in the freezer. It was some frozen chicken nuggets, and there weren't any there. It was empty. So while I was there, I grabbed some snacks and lunch because I hadn't eaten lunch, and then I spent another hour or two getting back home. Luckily, it was easier to get home than it was to get there because I knew which buses to take. So yeah, and then I wasn't able to find the product, and so I canceled that. I canceled that that product with Influencer because Walmart seemed to be the only place that was carrying that product, and I was not gonna trek out to Bellevue to continue looking for it. It wasn't worth my time. I found that they have the same brand at my local Safeway, but they don't carry the specific product they were looking for, and I couldn't find an end date on the offer, so I'm like, it's not that big of a deal for me. I mean, going out of my way to do this was a waste of time, and I mean, it took my whole day. I left my house at almost 1 o'clock, and I got home after 5 p.m. So it was a whole day wasted, basically. So yeah, that being said, yeah, if you enjoyed this, I also didn't film an outro. If you enjoyed the vlog, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my content, hit the subscribe button. It means a lot. I don't know if I'll be doing like this out and about vlogs or if I'll do more face-to-face vlogs. Let me know what your preference is, because it's a lot easier for me to sit down with a camera and just talk to you and say, hey, this is, you know, this is what's going on. You can see over in the mirror there, you can see the camera. And I have you propped up a little bit higher, so I'm not looking down at you, you're looking down at me, and that's fine by me. Anyway, like I said, sorry, I am getting over COVID, and that reminds me, if you want to help support me, because since I had COVID and I'm having financial strain in general, I do have a GoFundMe page right now to help me raise funds so I can pay rent and other living expenses. You'll find those down in the description. And like I said, if you want to subscribe to my channel, that means a lot. But it's free, you don't have to, so it doesn't, you know. But only 50% of you are subscribed to my channel. So the other 50% of you are not. So, you know, if you like this content. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling. Don't forget to take care of yourselves. And stay true to you. It's back there too. And you'll see me in my next video coming soon. Hopefully. I should be recording it tomorrow. I wasn't planning on recording today, but realized I didn't have an outro. So anyway, take care. Bye.